dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I've wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my...
You can see the old one. Absolutely stunning.
All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow, I will soar through the air. I'll take you.
Hey everyone, how's it going? So today's the day. As you know, over the last few days we've been organizing and waiting for our permits to come through for North Sikkim, but we should be good. The bike is packed. My bike's gonna have a guide on the back. So yeah, we're all ready. We're just about to leave Hotel Singalila. It's been a wonderful stay. Head up to the mall here, pick up our guide, and then hit North Sikkim. So yeah, let's go. I can't wait to do this. Sweet. So we went into the mall and picked up our man who was organizing all the paperwork. He's just down there. And we're just on the outskirts of Gangtok now. Just gonna meet our guide here and then head to North Sikkim. Heading to Lachen today. Stop for a bit of sightseeing on the way. Hopefully should get there around 5 o'clock. Alright, so our guide has arrived. This is Dawa. Hello, sir. He'll be showing us around North Sikkim. He's from North Sikkim, so this is going to be amazing. Can't wait.
I was just a kid, but I was spending time with older company. Stories about travel costs, a longing to be born inside of me. And like an arrow, I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair.
Alright, so we've arrived at our first little stop for sightseeing called the Seven Sisters Falls. As you can see, there's like a little Buddha statue, I suppose, up in the rock face there, and then we've got the falls here, which are just absolutely stunning. Not too bad, eh? And you can see behind me just there, yep, the road that we're driving along. So it's just sort of like winding along the valley. It's, yeah, stunning. And the road's actually been pretty good so far, I gotta say. I'm sure that'll jinx us and it'll turn to rock and mud now, but so far it's been a nice sort of cruisy ride.
You were 3 years older, but you didn't seem to know where you belonged. Lay your burden onto me and I will right you every way that you've been wronged. And like an arrow, we will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair.
Okay, yep. Alright, so we've come to an interesting bit in the road now. Guy's decided that he wants to walk up, which is Probably fair enough. Looks like fun. No problem. Nothing's too much for the old Royal Enfield Bullet. As we've been driving along today, we've just seen hundreds of waterfalls like coming down the side of the mountains, and we just came around that corner there and this is the sight that greeted us. Alright, so these are the Naga Falls. Absolutely stunning. So we stopped to look at the waterfall by this bridge here. And if you look down here, you can see the old one. Must have been washed away in a storm or something like that. And yeah, it just goes to show the power of nature. It's just, yeah. There's no words to describe it, really. So we just stopped at a checkpoint, and there's two very well-mannered dogs here. There you go.
Hey, dog name Rati. Red one, Blackie.
Ready? Red one and Blackie. Yeah? There's one for you. They're very good dogs. They're just sitting here, waiting for me to give them a little chip each. I found most of the dogs in India have been really good dogs. Hey, he's getting a bit cheeky. Hey, you gotta wait. Hey. Oh, oh, I need to give you, oh no.
Hey.
There you go. There has been the odd dog that hasn't been too friendly, but overall, they're all good dogs, eh? Good dogs. Good dog. Yes. Oi, hey, not so much of a good dog now. Hey, what are you doing? Well, let's talk you up. Okay, so we're at Chun Thung, which I hope is the last check post for our permits. We're a bit behind schedule. We had an extended wait at the last checkpoint. Az put his drone up at the Nagar waterfall, and somehow word got back to the police at the checkpost, and turns out they're not allowed. This is a restricted area, so you're not allowed to have drones, satellite phones, or GPS, strangely enough. So yeah, it took us maybe 45 minutes there, sort of. We didn't really know what was going on. Our guide was in there for maybe half an hour, then he came out and the policeman came out and asked if we had a drone, and Az was like yes, and then we had to go up, and they ended up confiscating it. He will get it back when we go back out, but yeah, it's meant we're running a little bit behind, but that's all right. We'll get there eventually. And I mean, when you're riding through scenery like this, who cares really? So yeah, we'll get this one out of the way and then Lachen. Alright, so there was one more check post, but it's the Lachen check post, so we're here. And I must say I'm pretty glad. Those last couple of hours have been pretty sketchy. Those same roads like you saw today, except that it's been in the dark. And the lights on my bike, to say they're not very good would be a bit of an understatement. Really the only way I could see was when Az was behind me and his lights were shining in front. Yeah, but we're here, 2 minutes away from the hotel. And yeah, we'll get ourselves checked in and get some dinner and then, I don't know. Yeah, we're here.